Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Toyota Corolla bonnet. First, you'll need to locate the bonnet release lever inside the car. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often near the door sill or under the dashboard. Give it a firm pull to release the primary latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as it disengages, indicating the bonnet is now partially open and ready for the next step. Now move to the front of your Toyota Corolla. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, allowing you to see underneath. Look for the secondary safety latch, which is usually located near the center of the bonnet's front edge, often above the grille. This latch is a safety feature, preventing accidental opening. You'll either push it to one side or pull it upwards to fully disengage the bonnet. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the bonnet. It should open smoothly. Next, locate the bonnet support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the underside of the bonnet or engine bay. This will securely hold the bonnet open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the support rod from its slot and reclip it securely in its storage position. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches from closing completely. Then, with both hands, push down firmly on the center of the bonnet until you hear both latches click into place. Give it a slight tug to ensure it's fully secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.